So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the game Isekai Slow Life on your Apple Silicon Mac for free. We're going to be using BlueStacks Air. So if you've got a Mac with an M1, M2, M3 or M4 chip, then this tutorial is going to be for you. I'm going to show you the full process of how to get this running from start to finish, including downloading the app, setting up for maximum performance, configuring controls, and getting this game working as well as possible on your Apple Silicon hardware. So first thing I'm going to do is to download BlueStacks Air. I'm going to leave a link to this at the top of this video description, so make sure to click on that link. Every time someone downloads this for absolutely free, it's going to help to support this channel and the content that I create. So once we follow the link, I'm going to go and click on this download BlueStacks button. I'm going to download this for the first time. I'm going to put this into our downloads folder in Finder. So just download that. I'm going to minimize this. So next what we're going to do is to go to our Finder icon here, and then we're going to go to our downloads folder. And then I'm going to find the BlueStacks PKG, which we're going to double click on. And then this is going to go through the installer. So all we're going to do now is press continue, continue, install, enter your password. So this is the password that you use to log into your Mac. Press install software. And now that's installing. So this is writing files, running package scripts. And once that's validated, we can press close here, and then we'll press the keep button, and then we'll go to Finder, go to our applications folder, and then we're going to scroll down until we find BlueStacks. So this is BlueStacks Air right here. Just double click on this. And now we can press the allow button. We can close this notification, and it's playing this video for us now. We're going to allow BlueStacks to find devices on the local network, and just kind of demonstrating what BlueStacks is capable of on the Mac. So once we're here, we can install games from this method, but what I'm also going to do is to log into the Google Play Store. So what I'm going to do is to click on this home button on the top menu bar of the app, and then we're going to go to System Apps, and then I'm going to go to the Play Store here, and we're going to sign in to a Google Play account. So here what we're going to do is to click the Sign In button, and then we're going to log into our Google account. So just type in the email address and password of your Google account, and then we'll log in. So we're not going to turn on contact syncing. We're not going to back up the device, press accept. And now we're logged into our Google account, and then go ahead and install a bunch of Android games on the Mac. So one thing that I do recommend doing is going into settings and then just tweaking some graphics and performance settings. So CPU allocation, it's defaulting to 4 CPU cores. Generally speaking, for gaming, that's probably all you need. By default as well, it's going to go for 4 gigabytes of RAM. Because I have a 40 gigabyte machines, I'm going to actually select a higher RAM allocation, and then we're going to select a high performance mode. And we're going to click display FPS during gameplay so I can see what the performance is like. Press save changes. And we can restart now, and it's going to restart the entire virtual machine. There are other settings that we can also tweak as well. For example, under display, I'm recording this under 1080p, so that's the resolution I've selected, and we're using high DPI. So you can tweak these settings too, as well as which graphics renderer to use. So you want the more advanced one, OpenGL ES 3.1 and above. So what I'm going to do is to click on this home button on the top menu bar of the app. So then what I'm going to do is go back to the store button here. So now what we're going to do is a search for Isekai Slow Life. So just search for it here, and we're going to download and play Isekai Slow Life, click install from Google Play, and then click the install button here. So once it's fully downloaded, we can go to the home button and then launch this using BlueStacks Air. So now this is loading up, and we're just going to go through the standard startup process. Choose a language, and then if you want to, you can log into your account, but here we're just going to start a guest account on one of the European servers. So check this one out. And now the game has loaded up into Kenonomimi Village, and we can basically start playing. So because the game is touch driven, then all you need to do is to use your trackpad or your mouse cursor to click on screen. Everything that you would do with the touch button, you can just do with your mouse cursor instead. Anyway, this is how you get Isekai Slow Life working on your Apple Silicon Mac. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.